most of the time, people think that application like artificial intelligence, machine learning are science fiction. I mean, can you comfort the audience that we are beyond that point? This is applied every day in most of applications. So this is a point. And do you believe that good artificial intelligence scientists and developer can be resident in Jordan for the future? So, and for the rest, I would like to ask the audience if there is any question. Otherwise, I will close it after this. So, anybody there?
Yeah, can I start on this? Well,
yes, please, go ahead.
I always believed in one thing is when it comes in IT. If you cannot measure it, you cannot manage it. So when we talk about data analytics, AI, machine learning, data science, it's not anymore just buzzwords or industry buzzwords, and you need to go to different industries today in Jordan who really utilizing this. If you go to the telecom today, they are doing a lot of data analytics. You know, I didn't leave that industry that long, but 4 years ago we completed our 9th data analytics project, and the use cases they came up becomes integrated in the day-to-day operations. It becomes part of the DNA of the company because they start seeing different business insights. So between data capture and how important it is to most of the organizations, and most of organizations have lots of data, lots of operational challenges. So the more you have customer data, you have operational data, you have technical data, you have financial data. So in order to make better decisions and to make smarter decisions and to make something more automated, more digital, you need to utilize what you have in terms of data. So today when we speak in what I say, I can give you scenarios of industries and other aviation industry, for example. If you want to make decisions better and you want to enhance your customer service, you want to enhance or reduce operational costs, or you want to improve your services, or you want to increase your revenues, you need to start thinking seriously of utilizing data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Today, you have technologies like RPA that can replicate every single transaction done on a computer by a human being, up to writing emails. So the use cases are there, the scenarios are there. So if having the right data at the right time, in the right place, with the right technology will always give you a different business insight. It will always give you a competitive edge over competition. It will always give you opportunities you have never seen before. And we need to think in this in a collaborative way. Sometimes organizations spend a lot of time, a lot of money, or taking a lot of effort because they want to do it themselves. Sometimes you might out of the shelf ready-made applications that can integrate with your applications. And this is where the role of technology vendors in Jordan or international vendors can play a major role. So I will give you a lot of examples, but today I will be talking about this in specific in I think in 30 minutes or something. So in the airport, we managed to reduce, I will tell you a case study. The process, the process in the aviation industry haven't changed since ages. So you go, you have a boarding pass, you check in, you put your luggage, then you go for border control, you stamp your passport, then you go for security inspection, then you go either duty free, you eat, you do whatever you do, then you go on board. So it's the process, we're all familiar with it. So if you know that every minute saved on check-in counters equal $1 in the duty free, what will you do as a use case? You will do whatever it takes to save time for the passengers on check-in counters by introducing kiosks, self-service kiosks, by introducing mobile check-in, by introducing self-drop baggage, by introducing, I would say, biometric border control. So there is a solution. And when we talk about these, this is a very simple example. Today, if you look at weather forecast today, it's based on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, IoT. Today, we can predict, forecast, operational scheduling delays in the airports. If we partnership with an organization like Arabia Weather, for example, they have the technology, they have the know-how, they can give you the end result. If you do this kind of integration, you will benefit operationally. So when we think, again, I always focus on solving problems. So when we focus on a specific problems, you will find the necessary tools. It's not science fiction. It's there, but you need to utilize it. So we don't buy it just to say, or we implement it just to say, yeah, I'm a smart IT guy, I have AI and machine learning, yet nobody's benefiting of what we are delivering. So we need to solve problems. And this is really important when we think in digital transformation, data analytics. This is a core. This is the way, this is a core objective.
This is the opportunity to say that having problem is a good thing.
Exactly.